Hello everyone, this is Jazz Mapper Liz. Welcome back, and today we'll learn how to use a PNG or a JPEG or some other type of picture format to use as custom symbology for your point feature inside of ArcGIS Online or inside of ArcGIS Enterprise Portal. So first off, you can see that I have a feature layer here called points, and then I'm going to add a new item. And this new item, I'm going to select my device, and it's going to be the picture. So this is the smile.png that I have. Go ahead and open it and give it a tag, a summary. And now I've added the picture basically as an item to ArcGIS Online or to ArcGIS Enterprise Portal. So if you look at the picture here, I can scroll down and there's no URL to grab. So we'll have to share it to everyone. Once the picture itself is shared to everyone, we can go down here, grab the URL by copying it, and then we can go into content again and select the feature layer that I have, the point feature layer. And then we'll go ahead and open it inside of Map Viewer Classic. So you can see here that I've actually got a couple points on the map already. So to add the image as custom symbology, I just select the symbology icon, go into options here, symbols, and then you'll see this option, use an image. So I'll select the image, paste in the URL that I have for my picture, do the plus icon, and then you can see the smiley face right here. Let me adjust the symbol size, okay, and there you have it. You've got custom symbology right on the map with whatever custom picture that you have. So thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments down below. Always happy to help, and welcome to join me on the next video in a couple more days. Thank you everyone. Take care.